I'm gonna give you 5 reasons why affiliate marketing is not for you. If you're on the fence and you're trying to decide if you wanna be an affiliate marketer, or maybe you are an affiliate marketer and you're really not sure if you wanna move forward, this video is either gonna make or break you. So stick around because we're gonna dive into all the dirty details. Hey there, my name's Josh, and if you've never seen me before, I am a full-time online business owner, and I'm a certified digital marketing specialist, and I'm here to talk to you about reasons why affiliate marketing is probably not for you. And I know you're probably thinking, Josh, there's all these videos out there about affiliate marketing, another one, really? But this one's a little bit more personal for you because I know that you're struggling because I've been there too. And so let's just get right into all the dirty details because I don't want to waste any time here. Number 1, you think affiliate marketing is going to make you rich, and in reality, that's probably not the case. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online by promoting other people's products, so you don't have to create your own, you don't have to create all the sales material, you just find a product that you believe in and promote it. But if you think it's gonna make you rich, and you think it's gonna make you rich quickly, then affiliate marketing is not for you, because that is not what's gonna happen here. It's gonna take time to be able to put together a system that's actually going to work for you. And I know you're probably thinking, well, Josh, all these people out there on YouTube and TikTok and Facebook are telling me they're getting filthy rich and making multiple 6 figures with affiliate marketing. Yeah, and you know what they're not telling you? All of the stuff they did before making that video that built up to that moment. I bet you if we got together, I could pick out people that I know in the industry that I know for a fact that wasn't their first gig, and they didn't start from zero. They might tell you that to entice you to get in there, but I'm never gonna tell you that. As of making this video, I'm a full-time online business owner, but I didn't start from zero this year to be a full-time business owner this year. It took me years to get here. So if you're looking for a get-rich-quick option, affiliate marketing is not for you. Number 2 is most people are not going to be successful with affiliate marketing. And to be honest, if you're just getting started, you're probably gonna have at least 1, 2, maybe a handful of products that you try to promote that just won't work for you. Regardless of what you see other people doing, it's very likely that you're gonna have things that are just not gonna work out. And you have to be okay with that. If you're not okay with failing at certain parts of your business to be able to learn to move forward, then it's probably not for you. Number 3 is that it's gonna take hard work and dedication and patience to get to where you wanna be. If you want to get to that life-changing passive income stage of affiliate marketing, it's not going to happen in 10 days, 30 days, 90 days, probably not even in 6 to 12 months. I didn't make my first sale in affiliate marketing for over a year. Now I know there's people out there that say, oh, we can make sure that you make money in 30 days. And I agree, you probably can, with most programs, make money in 30 days with a considerable amount of effort. But if somebody's telling you, we'll make you rich and you don't even have to do anything, we'll do everything for you, all you gotta do is pay for this subscription and we're gonna make you money, you should run extremely far away from that program or that product. It's not that easy. You have to put in the hard work. If you don't have a good work ethic and you're looking for a push button, it's not for you. Number 4 is that there's going to be a ton of trial and error that you're gonna need to put up with in order to build your business. You're gonna have to do testing. You're gonna have to tweak your things. You're gonna have to try new things. You're gonna have to build multiple landing pages for the same product to understand which one does which. You're gonna have to do all these things, and you're gonna have to do it often to make sure you're staying current with how things are going in the marketplace. If you have one product that's working well, you might try the same strategy with another product and it's not gonna work the same. So you have to tweak that, you have to test, you have to try to find something that's gonna work. If you're not okay with that, this is not for you. And lastly, you're gonna have a lot of additional investment, continuing your education, being a lifelong learner, going out and getting books that somebody recommended to you to say, hey, you could get better at copywriting, or you could get better at funnel building, or you could get better at graphic design, or you could get better at mindset or closing tips, or you name it, leadership, doesn't matter. There's all these options out there for you, and somebody might recommend those things to you. It's not gonna be free. You're gonna have to invest in yourself. You're gonna have to be able to grow your skills. You're gonna have to be able to try out new products. You're gonna have to keep things going. You can't just pick one product and that's gonna be your end all. Sure, there are places out there that you could use one product to build a full-time income. I'm part of a program that there are multiple people in there that have a full-time income off of that program. but that doesn't mean that's the only thing they sell. They just did really good with that one. So if you're not okay with continuing to invest in yourself, to continue to be that lifelong learner, then it's probably not for you. And a little tidbit about that, I learned recently that the average millionaire, not the biggest, not the smallest, the average reads 17 books a year. I don't even read 17 books a year. I've got them all back there. I got to read more, but that's just the average. If you want to be above average, you got to do better than that. So I know I've beat you up a little bit here and kind of used you as a little bit of a punching bag. It's not all dark forests and storm clouds. I actually do have a few tips that I can give you to help you be successful with affiliate marketing. The first big tip, find a mentor or coach or somebody that can help you move along this journey and help guide you through that dark forest. A lot of times, mentors and coaches can help you find clarity and suggest better ways to do things or different ways to do things that can help you avoid some of the failures and the mistakes that they made. Imagine if you're trying to climb Mount Everest without a guide. If you didn't know the exact places to go once you get to the snow-covered portions, you could actually fall to your death. You could actually do a considerable amount of damage to yourself or even really just lose your life. Think about this as like your lifeline. You need somebody who can be your lifeline to help you along the process and help you avoid a lot of those, trials and tribulations that they went through. Chances are they've probably been where you are right now. The second tip I have for you is that you're going to have rough days. You will want to quit. I wanted to quit multiple times. You might even want to quit right now. You're watching this video thinking, oh, this guy better give me a reason to stick around. Guess what? Here's your reason. It's not always going to be that way. And everybody who builds a business, especially an online business, goes through this. The best thing you can do is instead of continuing to push yourself, instead of continuing to chase those sales, take a break, step back, recharge, rest a little, go do something fun, and then come back and regroup. If you burn yourself out chasing sales left and right, you've already lost the battle. And this is probably the biggest tip that I can give you. And this is what helped me go from only earning a couple grand a month to being able to bring my affiliate income to multiple thousands of dollars a month and be able to land some pretty neat service contracts with bigger companies that brought my income to upwards of $15,000 a month. And I did that by changing my mindset away from making money and into helping others. When I started focusing on helping other people like I'm doing right now on this video for you, that made a world of difference. And sure, you might be like, well, Josh, what are you going to sell me at the end? And sure, you could go down to the bottom. You could check out my #1 way to make money online. You could check out my recommended affiliate marketing training from a great friend of mine who I love dearly. That guy is awesome and he's a freaking genius in my opinion. Or you could check out my free Facebook group that's down there. But in reality, that's not the reason I made this video. Those things are there because I want to be able to help you, give you the start that you need or point you in the right direction. But the real reason I made this video is because I struggled for these things too. These are things I literally struggled with. And now I'm telling them to you so that way you don't have to struggle with them in the future. I want you to be successful just as I want everybody else to be successful. And that's what this is for. Don't ever give up and keep moving forward.